Hi, today in this video we'll be seeing how to fix Lasko fan. I bought this fan in Walmart for the price of $29. Fixing this fan is very easy that you can do it on your own. The only difficult thing in this process is taking out the fan from this box. Since the packing is so good, it took a while for me to take this fan out of this box. So before assembling the fan, I'll check what are the things available in this box. And this is the stem of this fan. And this is the grill for this fan. And they have kept an instruction slip in this grill of the fan. And this is the fan leg. And this is the fan blade. We'll keep it aside. Then they have provided a connector too to attach this fan blade. And this is a motor present in this pack as well. So this is a small attachment to connect the fans, and totally here we have 7 parts in this pack. So we'll have a check. Once again, it's a Lasko fan, 16-inch oscillation multi-purpose fan it is, and it doesn't require any tools to assemble, and that is the great part about this fan. And it has adjustable height from 34 inches to 47 inches. So we can now assemble this fan. This is a 3.3-inch diameter fan motor provided with approximately a 2-meter length cord as well. This is a little rod to connect to fan blade. I'll explain it later. And this is the extender pole. It has an advantage that we can extend from 34 inches to 47 inches, as I said earlier. Okay, let's put all the stuffs together now. We'll take the strong base for this fan first. We take this extended pole or stem, whatever we call. Just they have provided projection that to get fixed in this extended rod. And this is a tightening screw they have provided to fix this star or adjusting the fan as per the height we required. Fixing it is very easy. Just push it on the hole. That's it. And then you have to take the motor out, which is the third part. Just fix it on the hole provided in the motor. Again, simple and very easy. There you go. And the next step is to fix the back glue in the fan motor. You can find the extension lid in the back glue to get attached in the motor. There you can see that. Make sure that extension just fits into that motor gap and push a little bit, nothing else. Next step is to fix the connectors to make sure the back grill is completely fixed in the motor. There they have provided a screw type lid. Just you can screw it in the clockwise direction. Then comes the next part in assembling the fan, that is fixing the fan blade exactly into the pole they have provided in the fan rod. You can find a little gap in the fan blade. There you go. You just Make sure that gap fixes directly into the hole present in the fan rod. There you go. It spins, right? Then you have to take out the safety connectivity lid attached to the rod present in the fan motor, anti-clockwise rotation, and make sure or tighten it until it gets fixed completely. And here we come to the final part of assembling this fan, that is fixing the front grill, that is getting together both the front as well as the back grill of the fan. The front and the back grill doesn't have any screws over there. We need just to press these grills together, and the small projection is there. We have to press it completely to get fixed. That's it. So you can just fix the fan within a matter of minutes, I would say. It would take just 5 to 6 minutes to fix this Lasko fan completely. I'm making sure the thing is perfectly fixed. And this is the total height of this fan. And you can see a knob is provided to tighten the fan after the height has been fixed. This is a 16-inch oscillating fan. The 16 inch is not the height. It is the exact length of this grill, front grill on the back grill. See, this is the 16-inch fan. And the motor comes with two knobs. One is the speed adjusting knob. It can adjust the speed from 1 to 3. And the other knob is oscillating knob, which can be used to oscillate the fan. Now we can check the fan speed as well as the amount of noise comes from the fan. Let's check it out. Now let's see the highest speed of this fan.
3.
Not that noisy. I'm okay with it. And now let me adjust the fan to the lowest level of this height, that is 34 inches. And this is what it looks like after adjusting to it to the lowest. And for your option, I have kept my 3 fans for your view. There is a black fan, and in the middle is a white fan, and lift safe fan. And this is the $49 fan. Comes with a remote. That is next special feature available for the remote fan, which is not available with an ordinary fan, which comes under $30. The only issue I have with these fans is cleaning these shield. So this is very difficult to clean. I used to clean the painting brush every month. Now let's check the speed of this remote control fan. I had a feel the remote control fan was a little noisy. Okay, now let me show how the remote works in the $49 fan. And the remote contains a on-off button, an oscillation switch, a temperature mode, and adjusting the speed, as well as it comes with the timer as well. You can very well adjust the fan with the remote as well as manually. And you can see the timer can be adjusted to 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So this is our solution button. Can manage it with the remote. The remote is very handy. You no need to get up from your bed to operate this fan. Let us check the noise from both these fans. I'm not that comfortable with the noisy remote fan. My kids are okay with it. So I chose the non-remote fan for my room. Thank you.